I feel like I needed to make something that I love a career. How do I do that? I'm going to teach dance. So now I get to do what I love every day. I get to teach dance every single day. Studying my PGC part-time, I was able to fit around my family life, my work life. It was really flexible and I was able to get everything done.
It's very diverse. You don't only get to learn about music theory, you also get workshops.
It kind of didn't interfere with anything else that I was doing outside of university.
I made the choice to stay on because I know that they can teach me in a way that I'll learn new things, and having this course, it felt like a natural progression from the BTEC course.
It is very local if the students are living around here. It works in the same way as a university with regards to student finance and grants.
I feel that it was a start of a journey for me where it's been the best thing I've ever done. Expanded my life to something that I love doing on a daily basis.
So it's from the grassroots of my foundation degree. It's just enabled me then to go on and achieve great things, which I'm very proud of.
I kept thinking how lucky students were to go into that building and have that chance to excel and to make a career for themselves. And then I got to the stage, why not? Why not me? I know I've been out of education for 27 years, but surely I still can. If I could sum it up, best decision I've ever made.